Under the current set of circumstances, Ms. Geiser does not pose a significant risk of bodily harm to herself or others, or of serious property damage.
That was the ruling from the judge on Morgan Geiser's future. Geiser and Anissa Weier admitted to nearly stabbing to death their friend Peyton Lautner back in 2014. They said they did it to appease the fictional character of Slender Man.
The bottom line common feature is that there's a unanimous support for Ms. Geiser's petition for conditional release.
Doctors no longer consider Geiser schizophrenic, and she's off all of her antipsychotic medications. Her diagnosis has been changed to post-traumatic stress disorder, anxiety, and depression from childhood abuse.
Her current understanding is that she experienced fantasy related to these different fictional characters, and within the context of her mental illness, fantasy essentially became blurred with reality, where she had a difficult time determining the difference between essentially what's fiction versus what's real.
Geiser has also recently been diagnosed as autistic, none of which doctors say make Geiser a risk. Her attorney got emotional during the ruling. You're really emotional right now. This has been going on for 10 and a half years. I can see that your eyes are kind of tearing up. Why do you feel so emotional defending Morgan Geiser all these years?
I knew Morgan before, I even had my second child. She's not a kid to me, but, I've known her forever. So I've watched the progress. I think that it was a long time coming. I think she's got a lot of talents. I think she's going to be a good person in the community. I think she's going to thrive.
The victim's mother has been opposing Morgan Geiser's release. She was listening in on the hearing today. The state now has 60 days to find a group home for Morgan Geiser, and when she's released, she will be on GPS monitoring. In the Waukesha County Courthouse, Rebecca Klopf, TMJ4 News.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.